Hey, Tony and Corey here, your Weekend Warriors. We're back in the workshop today, and we had a friend reached out looking for some help.
Mike, what's going on?
Had new carpet put in the house, and it's plusher and taller than what was taken out, obviously. And my bypass closet doors don't close, so they got to be trimmed off.
You got new carpet. The plush is too high. How much do you have to take off?
Probably about a ½ inch.
All right. It's definitely something we can do. We've got a Makita track saw in the back. We'll get that thing out, and we'll give you some tips on how to do it the right way. So stay tuned.
Welcome to the Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show, built by Par Lumber. Your Weekend Warriors, Tony and Corey.
The first thing you want to do is figure out where your cut's going to be. In these doors, this is an old hollow core door, and there's blocking in here in the top and the bottom. So you actually can only cut out about 1.5 inches. Then it's getting dicey. So ½ inch should be no problem, but what you're going to want to do is wrap that with some tape. And what that's going to help do is prevent splintering and tear out on that thin piece of plywood that makes up this door. So we're going to take this and just wrap it right along the bottom all the way around. Take our tape measure and a pencil. I better sharpen it. So what I'm going to do is take a dimension of ½ inch from the bottom of the door on 2 locations. Using a straight edge. And we're going to set our track saw up. And the way this track saw works, you line this rubber piece here that's attached to the track saw right on your line. We're going to use our Makita plunge saw to rip that right off.
So this is a finished cut. This is a finished product. We want to make sure that it's really clean. This is a 56 tooth carbide tip blade that's inside here. You wouldn't want to use anything with fewer teeth than that for a finished cut like this.
Now what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of sandpaper and I'm going to ease that edge just the slightest bit so he doesn't get any snags on his brand new carpet. What do you think, Mike?
Perfect.
Nice. Nice.
No, all I have to do is make sure I measured right for the ½ inch.
All right, let's do the other 3. When we were setting up the next door, we noticed that this had been previously cut. So we pulled measurements from the top of the door and realized it had an angle of about 1/8 inch. So what we're going to do when we cut this one is we're going to pull dimension from the top of the door. That way our cut will be nice and straight. So we'll just do 78. Well, that's it, Tony.
That was a pretty simple project.
Yeah, I'm glad we were able to help out a friend.
Let us know in the comments below, what are you building?
We'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons down below and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos.
And check out the Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show wherever you listen to your podcasts.
We'll see you next time.
Oh, dude.
What?
Yours are in here.